Time management, and how can this help me in my class? If you are watching this video, you are probably a busy person. Many of you are either part-time or full-time students who may or may not work. Because of those reasons, you may find that there are not enough hours in the day to help you get everything done. Maybe you just need a little help with managing your time. Well, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will learn what time management is and some great ways to manage your important time. So what is time management? Well, it's the ability to plan and control the amount of time you spend on activities. Think of it as a way to meet your goals, a group of tips to help you use your time wisely, and a how-to of ways to succeed despite some of those challenges. There are several reasons for poor time management, like procrastination, self-control issues, being unorganized, and more. You can start to overcome this by creating an effective time management environment. There are 3 elements for creating an effective testing environment. 1. Getting organized. 2. Avoiding procrastination. And 3. Setting priorities and goals. So let's discuss how each of these elements can help you with your time management. Getting organized. We all live busy lives. We have to juggle several obligations, and it can make going to school very overwhelming. Mix all of these obligations together and it can be a mess. Getting and staying organized is a great way to balance these obligations. To get started getting organized, try using a time log to see how to spend your day or how you spend your day or a week. Once you record your time, evaluate your results and see how you can tweak your time in order to organize your schedule. Take these behaviors and divide them into 2 categories, fixed and flexible commitments. Fixed commitments are the things you must do at certain times, like classes and work or eating and sleeping. Flexible commitments are things you can do as you get them, like studying, doing your homework, chores, hobbies, etc. Now you can get a better idea of what you spend your time on. Now start planning your day. You can use a planner or your smartphone. But here's some advice for planning your day. Start with fixed appointments and then add deadlines. Be sure to give a block of time from each task you have to do. Break tasks into small manageable parts and avoid the tendency to be generic. Instead, be specific as possible. Now that you have your ways to organize your time, let's take a look at procrastination. Procrastination is the act of putting off or delaying. Everyone does it, but you do have to work against it in order to be successful in your courses. So what are some of the reasons for procrastination? Well, tasks look difficult. You are having trouble getting started. You have no motivation, or you may feel failure. So how can you avoid procrastination? Well, first, get organized. Keep all of your notes and materials in one place. Have a dedicated workspace that you can sit at and study. Make a schedule. Find an ideal time to work on assignments and create a schedule with start and end dates. Try to work on your assignments every day. Next, ask for help. Contact your teacher or professor if you need more clarity on an assignment. Talk to your classmates who may seem to understand the assignment more than you. Also, be confident. Tackle all of your assignments with a can-do attitude. And finally, reward yourself. When you finish a task, give yourself something. It can be free time, it can be fun time. This will encourage you. Now that we know about getting organized and how to avoid procrastination, let's talk about setting goals and priorities. Some of your goals can be about education, others can be about things in your personal or work life. When setting your goals, ask yourself, what are your life goals? What about the next 3 to 5 years? What about this coming academic year? What are the things you need to do to accomplish these goals? What are the obstacles that you have to get these goals accomplished? Or what are the ways you can defeat those obstacles? Ask yourself the consequences of achieving your goals. How will you feel? What are the rewards? And how will others think of you? Consider whether these consequences are intrinsic or extrinsic. Setting priorities will also help you accomplish your goals. Make a to-do list of what you can do at this point. Make a list of priorities that will work with your goals. Divide your goals and priorities into an A list, you have to, B list, would or need to, and a C list, could or want to. And do like your A priorities when you have high energy versus low energy. And also use your tips from getting organized and avoiding procrastination. Now we have come to the end of our video. Remember, time management will help you be successful in your classes. Just remember our tips to get organized, avoid procrastination, and set your goals and priorities. Bye!